Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of anencephaly with a pregnancy of about 22 weeks, 3 to 4 days. You can see the fetus having no skull vault. Anencephaly is the absence of large part of the brain and skull. This is a normal fetal ultrasound performed at 22 weeks, 3 to 4 days of gestation period. The development of the brain and nervous system begins early in fetal development. Anencephaly is one of the most common neural tube defects. Neural tube defects are birth defects that affect the tissue that becomes the spinal cord and the brain. Now you can see the two prominent eyes of the fetus, but fetal head has no skull bone and the brain matter is visible. You can see the brain matter with no skull vault on encircling the brain matter. Anencephaly occurs early in the development of an unborn baby. It results when the upper part of the neural tube fails to close. The exact cause is not known. Possible causes includes, for example, environmental toxins, low intake of folic acid by the mother during pregnancy. In nearly all fetuses with the anencephaly, the movements are qualitatively abnormal. They are forceful, jerky in character, and are of large amplitude. Anencephaly is a lethal diagnosis incompatible with sustained life. It has been understood that if an anencephalic infant is live born, fetal demise will soon be the death will soon be imminent. Several studies have reported anencephaly to be 100% lethal in the first year of life. Now you can see the fetal movements are aggressive, and this is a male fetus. You can see the male genitals. Again, you can see the genitals. Anencephaly is a lethal congenital anomaly that can be detected on ultrasound as early as 11 weeks of gestation. If some amount of neural tissue is present, the condition is termed exencephaly. Polyhydramnios usually associated with neural tube defects. No treatment option is available for anencephaly. You can see the fetal abdomen, fetal genitals, and you can see the blood flow. The blood flow is normal. Now, the anencephaly can theoretically be diagnosed as early as 8 weeks. However, it can be missed in the first trimester. There is 100% accuracy in the second trimester and 100% uh, accuracy in the second trimester for this diagnosis by ultrasound. One study shows sonography alone was 97% sensitive and 100% specific in diagnosing an open neural tube defect. Again, you can see the fetal head, fetal eyes with some soft tissue edema. Placenta is posteriorly attached and it is slightly left lateral. By ultrasound, the appearance will resemble Mickey Mouse ears. Additionally, a measurement from the top to the head to the crown rump length or CRL is significantly reduced in affected fetuses in the first trimester. One of the fetuses with anencephaly, a small portion of all these fetuses with this condition, a small portion will die while still in the uterus. Intrauterine fetal demise or stillbirth. Approximately 25% will have excessive amniotic fluid around the fetus, polyhydramnios. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.